This video is a step-by-step guide on integrating Salesforce and ServiceNow using ONEiO. First, head to the Endpoints tab and click on the Integrate Endpoints button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to provide information about the two endpoints you want to integrate. Once you've filled out the necessary details, click on Create Integration. Now, watch ONEiO's rule robot work its magic to create complex mapping rules within seconds. Once the process is complete, click on Go to Rules to review the list of created rules. Let's examine the Create ServiceNow-Salesforce rule to understand its structure. In the Rule and Routes section, you'll find details about the connected entity types and conditions for triggering the rule. Rule Robot has built various routing rules related to each entity type. Mappings for ticket bonding are automatically set, and mappings for relaying basic bonding variables such as status, comments, and attachments are also created. Next, let's proceed to testing a workflow between Salesforce and ServiceNow built with ONEiO. In the interface, you'll see ServiceNow on the left, ONEiO's message feed in the center displaying the list of triggered rules, and the Salesforce homepage on the right. To begin testing, create a new case in Salesforce and fill in the required fields such as priority, subject, description, and case origin. Once done, save the case. In ONEiO's message feed, observe the triggered rules and note the number of tickets created in ServiceNow. Locate this ticket in ServiceNow to ensure it contains the same information as the Salesforce ticket. Next, update the ticket state and priority in ServiceNow. Make necessary adjustments such as changing the impact and urgency to reflect the desired priority. Add a comment and save the changes. Observe in ONEiO how this change triggers an action, which will be reflected in Salesforce upon refresh. Now, let's explore comments. Post a comment in Salesforce with additional customer information and verify its presence in ServiceNow. To conclude, close the ticket by changing its status from In Progress to Resolved in ServiceNow. Upon refresh, you'll see the updated status reflected in Salesforce. That wraps up our video. For more integration tutorials, expert tips on automating workflows, and much more, head over to oneio.cloud.